are here at Presentacion Camarines Sur in Barangay Santa Maria. This is the view deck where visitors can enjoy the natural scenery. These landmarks show the pride and beauty of the community.